How to disable dark mode in Windows 10 and 11. If you have on the dark mode, then you can see here the app is black, and you want to disable dark mode, then click on right button on the empathy screen, and then click on personalize button, then open the setting and click on colors, and you choose here customize button, choose your color, then click on customize or light. If you want to customize button, then click on customize. I am choose prefer custom, then click on here I am choose dark, and click on here I am choose light. So it could be our app is light and the taskbar is off dark. You can see here the app is light button, light color, and you can see here taskbar is dark. If you choose here light, then it should be all are light. It should be app be also light, and you can watch stay here the update the refresh the laptop and restart the laptop, then it should work properly. So I prefer custom button, and you can see here the taskbar is also white light mode and the app is also light mode. So I want to custom button and click on custom, and app is light, I want to light, and the default Windows mode is dark. It should be changed, and that's it. The default Windows mode is dark mode. So this is how to disable dark mode in Windows 10 and 11. I hope this video is helpful for you and enjoy it. If you have enjoyed this video, then click on subscribe button, and don't forget to like, share and comment on this video.